Hello friends, last lecture we have seen that gradient, divergence, curl and Laplacian in Cartesian coordinates. Today we will start gradient, divergence, curl and Laplacian in cylindrical coordinates. Okay, in cylindrical coordinates you know that in cylindrical coordinates u1 is equals to rho, u2 is equals to phi and u3 is equals to z. Then e1 cap is equals to e rho cap, e2 cap is equals to e phi cap, e3 cap is equals to ez cap. H1 is equals to 1, H2 is equals to rho and H3 is equals to 1. First we will discuss gradient. Okay. Gradient. Grad psi is equals to del psi is equals to del psi is equals to 1 upon h1 dabba psi by dabba u1 into e1 cap plus 1 upon h2 dabba psi by dabba u2 into e2 cap plus 1 upon h3 dabba psi by dabba u3 into e3 cap. Okay, is equals to dabba psi by dabba rho into e rho cap. Put the values of h1, h2, h3 and e1, e2, e3 and u1, u2, u3. Okay, so dabba psi by dabba u1 is the rho. Okay, then e1 cap is the e rho cap. Okay, plus 1 upon rho dabba psi by dabba phi into e phi cap plus dabba psi by dabba z into ez cap. Equation number first. Second is divergence. Second is divergence. Okay, then divergence f is equals to del dot f is equals to 1 upon h1 h2 h3 into dabba by dabba u1 into f1 h2 h3 plus dabba by dabba u2 into f2 h3 h1 plus dabba by dabba u3 into f3 h1 h2 Refer the equation number 4 in curl of vector function. Then is equals to 1 upon rho into dabba by dabba rho into f rho plus dabba f phi upon dabba phi plus dabba by dabba z into rho f z. Equation number second. Where f1 is equals to f rho, f2 is equals to f phi and f3 is equals to fz. Okay, then curl. Third is curl. Third is curl. Curl F is equals to del cross F. Then curl F is equals to 1 upon H1 H2 H3 into H1 E1 cap H2 E2 cap H3 E3 cap. Then dabba by dabba U1, dabba by dabba U2, dabba by dabba U3. Okay. F1 H1, F2 H2, F3 H3. Refer the equation curl of vector function. Okay. Then is equals to 1 upon rho is equals to 1 upon rho is equals to 1 upon rho into E rho cap into rho into E phi cap Ez cap. Then dabba by dabba rho, dabba by dabba phi, dabba by dabba phi, dabba by dabba z. Then f rho into f phi and f z and f z. Okay, solve this. So we can write therefore del cross f is equals to 1 upon rho dabba by dabba phi into fz minus dabba by dabba z into rho f phi into E rho cap minus rho into dabba by dabba rho into fz minus dabba by dabba z into f rho into E phi cap into E phi cap plus dabba by dabba rho into rho f phi minus dabba by dabba phi into f rho okay into Ez cap okay. Equation number third okay. Then fourth is Laplacian. Fourth is Laplacian. Okay, you know that the del square psi is equals to 1 upon H1 H2 H3 into dabba by dabba U1 into H2 H3 upon H1 into dabba psi by dabba U1 into plus dabba by dabba U2 into H3 H1 into H3 H1 upon H2 dabba psi by dabba U2 plus dabba by dabba U3 into H1 H2 upon H3 into dabba psi by dabba u3 dabba psi by dabba u3. Okay, refer to equation number in 7 in curl of vector function, in curl of vector function. Then solve this. 1 upon rho into dabba by dabba rho into dabba psi by dabba rho plus dabba by dabba phi into 1 upon rho into dabba psi by dabba phi plus dabba by dabba z into rho into dabba psi by dabba z. Okay. Then 1 upon rho dabba by dabba rho into rho d psi by dabba rho plus 1 upon rho square into dabba square psi by dabba square psi by dabba phi square plus dabba square psi by dabba z square, dabba into dabba square, psi into dabba z square. Okay, send this here. Okay, then is equals to 1 upon rho into rho dabba square psi upon dabba rho square plus dabba psi by dabba rho plus 1 upon rho square dabba square psi by dabba phi square plus dabba square psi by dabba z square. Then is equals to dabba square psi by dabba rho square plus 1 upon rho dabba psi by dabba rho plus 1 upon rho square dabba square psi by dabba phi square plus dabba square psi by dabba z square. Equation number 4. Equation number 4. The equation number 4 represents the Laplacian of scalar field psi in cylindrical coordinates. So Laplacian operator in cylindrical coordinates. Laplacian operator in cylindrical coordinates del square is equals to dabba square by dabba rho square plus 1 upon rho dabba psi by dabba rho plus 1 upon rho square into dabba by dabba phi square plus dabba square by dabba z square. Okay, dabba z square. Thank you.